Hey guys, welcome back to the Beaver Lodge Smoke Pit. Today we're going to throw some short ribs on the Highland Smoker over here, and we'll probably be using some oak, maybe a little bit of cherry on there. Once we get a nice bark on these, I think I'm going to put them in a pan with some sauce and a little more seasoning, kind of do them like burn-in style. Should be good. Let's get started. Alright, while the coals are getting ready, let's season up these short ribs. Today I'm using Sweet Heat barbecue rub from Sovereign Smoke. I'm going to go pretty heavy with this rub. This should create a nice bark on the outside of the ribs. Now that we got the smoker up to temp, I'm going to add another piece of oak here and another piece of cherry. I want to keep these ribs from drying out, so I'm going to make up a little mixture here of water, beer, and apple cider vinegar. We'll use that to spritz the ribs every once in a while. Alright, these are starting to look really good. They're starting to feel pretty tender. We're at about 180 degrees. I think I'm going to pull these off and get them in a foil pan. Move on to the next step. Alright, I'm going to hit these with a little bit more Sweet Heat seasoning rub. Also going to spray a little more moisture on these in the pan here. This will help steam them, get them really tender. And the last thing I'm going to do is add some Sweet Heat barbecue sauce. We'll get these coated, covered in tin foil, and back on the smoker. Alright, these guys should be ready. Let's get them over the cutting board and see how we did. Oh, these smell so good. If you want to give this Sovereign Smoke Sweet Heat Barbecue Rub or sauce a try, I'll put a link in the description, along with a promo code for a discount. See you next time.